गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग रामनगरम में 3 रोज़ा इंडो-US वर्कशॉप हजार्डस मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट यूजिंग AI टूल्स। इस मौजू पर 10 ता 12 फरवरी ये इंटरनेशनल वर्कशॉप हो रहा है। पिछले 8 माह से इस वर्कशॉप की तैयारी की जा रही थी। दोस्तों, दुख की बात है कि कल यानी 9 फरवरी को गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के चेयरमैन अहमद शरीफ सिराज का इंतकाल हुआ। चूंकि अमेरिका से डेलीगेट्स आए हुए थे और अलग अलग मकामात पर इनके वर्कशॉप तय थे, इस बड़े सदमे के बावजूद इंतज़ामिया ने इंडो-US वर्कशॉप को जारी रखा। वर्कशॉप के इफ्तिताह के मौके पर 1 मिनट की खामोशी और ताज़ीम का इजहार करते हुए चेयरमैन अहमद शरीफ सिराज को खिराज अकीदत पेश किया गया। यहाँ आए तमाम मेहमानों ने और गौसिया कॉलेज की इंतज़ामिया टीचर्स ने चेयरमैन अहमद शरीफ सिराज के इंतकाल पर गहरे दुख और दर्द का इजहार किया। अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन और गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के सेक्रेटरी उमर इस्माइल खान की सदारत में वर्कशॉप का इनॉग्रेल सेशन हुआ। अमेरिका से आए डेलीगेट्स को फेलिसिटेशन पेश किया गया। इस मौके पर AICTE न्यू दिल्ली के फॉर्मर चेयरमैन TG सीताराम और अमेरिका की इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हजार्डस मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट के फेलो डॉक्टर R विश्वनाथ ने इस 3 रोज़ा वर्कशॉप की अहमियत और ज़रूरत पर रोशनी डाली। इन माहिरीन ने कहा कि हजार्डस मटेरियल्स यानी पुरखतर मवाद के इंतज़ाम में रत्ती बराबर की गफलत ज़बरदस्त जानी व माली नुकसान का सबब बनती है। इसकी कई मिसालें देखने को मिलती हैं। डॉक्टर R विश्वनाथ ने कहा कि अमेरिका से अपने ज़ाती खर्च से आई ये टीम अपने एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सपर्टाइज को शेयर कर रही है ताकि पुरखतर मवाद हजार्डस मटेरियल्स की मैनेजमेंट को मवस्सर तरीके से इफ़ेक्टिव तरीके से अंजाम दिया जा सके और इस शोबे में आ रही तब्दीलियां AI टूल्स के इस्तेमाल से इंजीनियर्स इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट को मालूमात हासिल हो सकें। डॉक्टर TG सीताराम ने कहा कि इंडिया में अब प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन को भी न्यूक्लियर पावर में एक्सपेरिमेंट की इजाज़त मिल रही है। पार्लियामेंट में पेश किया गया शांति बिल इस कड़ी का हिस्सा है। लिहाजा मौजूदा दौर में हजार्डस मटेरियल्स मैनेजमेंट पर सबसे ज़्यादा तवज्जो देने की ज़रूरत है। डॉक्टर TG सीताराम, डॉक्टर R विश्वनाथ ने इस वर्कशॉप में काफ़ी कीमती मालूमात फराहम की। साथ ही गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग की खिदमत की सताइश की और कहा कि ये एक कदीम इदारा है जिसने मुल्क को बेहतरीन इंजीनियर्स दिए हैं। अमेरिका से आए डेलीगेट्स ने भी गौसिया कॉलेज के कैंपस फैसिलिटीज़ एटमॉस्फेयर को देखकर खुशी का इजहार किया। इस मौके पर गौसिया कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर NS कुमार, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर प्रोफेसर एजाज अहमद व दीगर मौजूद थे। मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद जमर पाशा ने गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग का तारुफ और मौजूदा कोर्सों की जानकारी फराहम की। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
Before we could proceed further with this inaugural function, I have a somber announcement to make. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. It is with profound grief that we inform you of the sudden passing of our beloved chairman, Dr. Ahmed Sharif Siraj, son of our visionary founder, late Haji Nabi Sharif. I request everyone to kindly stand up for a minute silence to pay tribute to his illustrious legacy.
बड़ा सदमा है।
बिल्कुल की बात है। तो आज बहुत अफसोस की बात है कि आज जो है हमारे कल शाम को हमारे अहमद शरीफ सिराज साहब हमारे चेयरमैन का इंतकाल हो गया है। अब ज़ोहर में उनका नमाज के लिए जाना है। बड़ी अफसोस की बात है कि आईसी के आज ही दिन जो इतनी खुशी का मौका था गौसिया में ऐसी ऐसी बात हो गई। बड़ा अफसोस है, हमारे ख़ास दोस्त थे, हमारे मेंटर थे, हमारे साथी थे, हम उनको बहुत जो है मिस करेंगे।
तो एक जो विज़न था उनका ख़ास तौर पर काफ़ी तवज्जो देते थे इस इदारे की तरक्की के
ये
लिए।
जो हाजी नबी शरीफ साहब जो है गौसिया ट्रस्ट के फाउंडर हैं, उनके फर्जन अहमद शरीफ साहब मेरा हमारे साथी है, चेयरमैन हैं। बड़ा सपोर्ट था उनका ऐसे डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज़ के। पूरी छूट थी मुझे कि जो भी है करो, कुछ भी करो, कुछ भी डेवलप करो। अब इनके बाद जो है उनके दामाद नवाज़ शरीफ चेयरमैन बने हैं गौसिया इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग ट्रस्ट के। इंशाल्लाह उनके साथ भी मेरा रैपोर्ट अच्छा है, ऐसे ही तरक्की होती रहेगी इंशाल्लाह। दुआ करो, आप लोग सबसे दुआ की गुजारिश है।
For me to be part of this very important Indo-US workshop on hazardous materials management using AI tools. In this, you might notice two important topics in there. One is the hazardous materials management. The another one is very, very new technology which is disrupting the world, artificial intelligence. And I think you already heard from Vishwanath and many others describing the speakers for 3-day workshop. You are very lucky to have a very distinguished speakers from US to be here to educate us on these two very important. Before I address, I would like to offer our condolences also to the Honorable Chairman of the Gousia GIET, who passed away yesterday evening. And even then, the Honorable Secretary is with us, Mr. Umar Ismail Khan is here with us. So it shows his commitment to this technical business. So thank you very much, Mr. Umar Ismail Khan. And with this brief introduction, I would like to speak about the hazardous materials management. See, I am a civil engineer myself by profession, and my first job was also, after my master's, was with the Central Pollution Control Board. Okay, so, and after I returned from US, the first course I offered was on hazardous materials management. It's such a coincidence. Today I am sitting with one of the top leaders, Dr. Vishwanath, and who is from this part of the country, and after 50 years, and he has come many times, but at least I am meeting for the first time. After 50 years, he is returned and trying to share his knowledge. I think a big applaud to him and his team.
Yes, it is Indo-US workshop on hazardous materials management, also hazardous waste management. And this is actually our 18th trip. I brought 18 teams to share our knowledge, experience, and expertise of what we gain in the United States. We come here to share with students, faculty, researchers, regulators, and other consultants, a variety of government agencies. So it's a wide spectrum of attendees, and so we are happy to do that because that's our mission. Mission is to share our knowledge and experience that we gain in the United States. All our team members come from the United States at their own cost. They pay their own airfare and they lose revenue for 2 weeks. All this is the love of India and to share the knowledge with Indians.
So how is the atmosphere of Gousia? How is the atmosphere of Gousia?
It is tremendous. I saw today the auditorium was full. All the credit goes to our principal and Azad Ahmed doctor, and they all inspired students to come and attend. I saw many faculty were there and staff were there. Other interested people were there. This is exciting. This is encouraging. And we love to see everyone make use of this opportunity to learn something from the presentations of all my team members. And we hope to interact with them. They should feel free to come and talk to them in breaks. coffee, tea, lunch, whatever it is.
This international seminar.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर शशि शंकर है. मैं मेरा फ्रेंड है डॉक्टर एन.एस. कुमार जी. ये सभी हो रहा है, क्या क्या हो रहा है, सभी डॉक्टर एन.एस. कुमार जी का वजह से हो रहा है. ये बहुत अच्छा बात है. और एक और ये मुख्य विषय क्या है करके, ये भारत और अमेरिका का ये संयोजन, ये कार्यागार है, ये घातक वस्तुओं का ये दुष्परिणाम क्या है करके सभी जनों को ये परिचय करना इसका उद्देश्य है और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये दुष्परिणाम बहुत है इसका. ये न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट का है और ये अमोनियम नाइट्रेट का है और सभी घातक पदार्थों का है, प्लास्टिक का है, सभी विचारों का एक मालिका है. ये IUWS HMM 2026 करके प्रथम संकीर्ण हो गया, 1st to 6th एट आचार्य इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज हैसरगट्टा में. और दूसरा हो गया कल हो गया और सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी इन सेंट्रल कॉलेज में हो गया कल. और आज हो रहा है गौसिया इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में. एक डिफरेंस क्या है करके बोले तो ये है ओनली कॉलेज वेयर HMM, Hazardous Materials Management, is integrated with AIML, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Only college is Gousia Engineering College, and hats off to the principal, Dr. N.S. Kumar, for this ingenuity. He has made a difference to all other colleges. And also, I want to declare that as a convener of IUWS HMM 2026 series, the best engineering college under IUWS HMM 2026 is none other than the Gousia College of Engineering, and the best principal award goes to Dr. N.S. Kumarji, and also the best administrator award goes to our Ijaz Ahmedji. And this is a proud moment for Gousia Engineering College. You have made the difference in this country. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, just two words. Lot of appreciation to Gousia College and your efforts.
Yes, sir. All this is mainly because of the management. Our honorary secretary, when I told in the last year in the month of July to 2025, he agreed within 2 seconds. Yes, we will host it, and it's a good opportunity because of his very important support. I thought of continuing. If not this opportunity, we would have lost it. Now my idea is to grab the immediate so that students should get very good knowledge. Second point, I am here since 36 years. So I have seen the growth since 1989. Therefore, I wanted from so many years to make this event so that all people from US shall come to our college instead of we.
What is your view? You saw the inaugural function.
I have been very impressed. I've just come to Gousia for the first time. This is my first time in India, and I have been in Karnataka for about a week now, and it is beautiful. Okay, I have enjoyed every place I've been, and we're having a great time, and we're looking forward to being able to work with the students to help them deal with hazardous waste management tools and become better students, and we're very excited to be here.
What is your message to society and community?
The message to society is that hazardous waste management is a very important thing, because when you do not take care of your natural resources, they can become corrupted and many people will die. And so our goal is to see to it that people live and live happily, and that they have a clean environment, and that the world is a better place because of the work we are doing.
Thank you. Your good name and designation.
My name is John Hall, and I am a PhD chemist from the University of Miami, and I have been working for the past few years in AI in a private company called Triai AI and Robotics.
How do you see this today's event, today's step?
I think that this has been phenomenal. The last presentation, the keynote address of the inaugural event on AI and AI tools and how can we use AI to better every single discipline that hazardous materials and nuclear waste touch was absolutely outstanding and right on the mark. What has amazed me the most about what is going on at India institutions is the fact that there's a tremendous amount of collaboration between academia and private industry, as was discussed. The amount of new initiatives, the amount of startups is amazing. And the fact is, that you can create wealth when you are creative and try to incorporate the best tools that the computing technology has to offer into the different disciplines.
One of the main purpose of this seminar is safety and peaceful society.
So, the fact is that we want every single person that goes to work to come out as healthy as they were when they came in. That takes a tremendous amount of discipline. And that we want the environment to, if anything, be better as a result of our efforts. So the discipline that it takes to perform functions safely, and in addition to that, take care, protect our accessible environment is a huge investment from society and from scientists and from engineers. But it's a well worth investment, because once that you go down that road, the respect for safe operations, the respect for a tremendous amount of entrepreneurial spirit, but with respect for safety, human health, and the accessible environment, is actually something that pushes the society forward.
Thank you. Your good name and designation. Your good name and designation.
My name is Ines Triay, and I'm the interim dean of the College of Engineering and Computing at FIU, the director of the Applied Research Center, and I have worked in nuclear waste management for about 40 years.
Visited the Gousia College here in Ramnagara, Bangalore, near Bangalore. So you have participated in the international seminar. What is your take?
This is a wonderful experience to be here at Gousia College of Engineering for the Indo-US Hazardous Materials Workshop. It's a very great opportunity to be able to share my knowledge with students who are excited to learn more, and I look forward to future collaborations between my university in Las Vegas in the US and Gousia College.
So this is a vast subject. So this is a vast subject, hazardous management. What is your message to the society?
So when it comes to waste materials or anything that we use in our lives, we really need to be thoughtful about our use so that we can be able to do things. And so when it comes to materials that we use, whether they're hazardous or things in our household, we need to be mindful about them and think about where they're going to go in the future. There are many beneficial reasons to using hazardous materials, but we need to be thoughtful and safe, and everyone should be knowledgeable, not just a few professionals.
Thank you. Your good name and designation. Your name and designation.
Okay. My name is Dr. Erica Marty. I'm an associate professor at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas.
States, we have a saying that we learn from the past to understand the present, to build a better future. And the students are our future, and I'm here to share what I can of my past to help them to build a better future for India and for the world.
So 2, 3 sentences from your presentation.
My presentations will be on, one of them will be on hazardous materials communications, how you classify and understand the hazards of a particular material. I'll have one on management systems, on how to set up a program to make sure that materials are managed, hazardous materials are managed properly. And then I'll be giving, at the end of the program, I'll be giving a presentation specific to electronic waste and waste batteries.
Thank you. Your name and designation.
My name is Paul Hausman. I'm employed by Verizon Communications. It's a Fortune 50 company, one of the biggest telecommunications companies in the United States. And I'm also immediate past president of the Alliance of Hazardous Materials Professionals.
Have the knowledge of hazardous chemicals to help their communities stay safe from the dangers of mismanagement of these chemicals. It is my wish.
Today I visited Gousia College of Engineering for a international workshop in Indo-US workshop on hazardous materials management and artificial intelligence. So I think one of the best top experts of the world are here. Almost as Professor Vishwanath highlighted, 300 years of experience people are here, collective experience. So it's a golden time for us to learn from them on hazardous materials management, along with the newer technologies like artificial intelligence. So I think this is not my first visit to Gousia. I've come 3 times. Dr. Kumar is my student only. MS Kumar is my student only. So he has come, I have come here many times. Gousia College of Engineering is serving the rural part of Karnataka, particularly southern part of Karnataka, Ramnagara area. I think a lot of students are getting benefited. Many of the alumni, very successful alumni have come out of this institution. It is one of the earliest engineering colleges approved by AICT. So thank you very much. Namaskar.
What is the message to these students, engineering students?
Student, ask bold questions, and do what you dream to do it. Dream very big, and nothing is short of, as he rightly said, you have to dream to get even Nobel Prize, but you have to pursue that continuously without fear of failure. Failures will happen, but you should not get disappointed with the failures. Continue to work continuously. Students, you will be successful. Thank you.
ये आज इंडो यूएस सेमिनार हुआ है ऑन मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हैजार्डस वेस्ट। तो अमेरिका से 10 डेलीगेट्स आए हैं और हमारे इंडिया के डॉक्टर सीतारामन, डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ जो एआईसीटी के चेयरमैन रहे हैं वो आए हैं। तो हमारा गौसिया के वास्ते एक बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है और हमारे गौसिया की हिस्ट्री में पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि हमारे 1981 से हमने ये कॉलेज शुरू किया है, तकरीबन 45 ईयर्स हो गए। फर्स्ट टाइम इतना 5 पावर डेलीगेशन फ्रॉम अमेरिका आया है। 3 दिन यहाँ रहेंगे और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ज़रिए से जो हैजार्डस वेस्ट जनरेट हो रहा है इंडिया में उसका कैसा, उसका सोल्यूशन क्या है, ये इस पे डिस्कशन होगा और उसका मैनेजमेंट कैसा होता है उसका डिस्कशन होगा। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि गौसिया में इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम आज हो रहा है।
आज इन्होंने इंडिया की जो तरक्की है उसके बारे में रोशनी डाली कि पिछले 25 साल में जो है गैर मामूली तरक्की हो रही है, डेवलपमेंट हो रही है।
जी, डॉक्टर सीतारामन जो है एआईसीटी के चेयरमैन हैं, तो उन्होंने बताया कि हर साल तकरीबन 16 लाख बच्चे बेंगलोर इंडिया से इंजीनियर बन के निकलते हैं और ये आईआईटीज़ में 15,000 बच्चे निकलते हैं, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा ये 16 लाख बच्चे जो निकलते हैं इनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी पूरे वर्ल्ड में है। और हमारे बच्चे जो है और जो एआईसीटी का सिलेबस है पूरे वर्ल्ड को देखे हुए बनाया गया है ताकि बच्चे जो है इंटरनेशनल लेवल में कामयाब हों। तो ये बहुत अच्छा सेमिनार रहा, बहुत खुशी हुई और ये डेलीगेट जो है हमारे बच्चों के लिए, खासकर जो गौसिया के बच्चे हैं और दूसरे कॉलेज से बच्चे आए हैं, उनके लिए एक मोटिवेशन है कि अगर आप अच्छा पढ़े, स्किल हासिल करें, अच्छे मार्क्स लें तो दुनिया में आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। ये एक मैसेज आज यहाँ से जा रहा है।
He offers programs in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security, information science and electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, civil engineering, robotics and artificial intelligence. At diploma level, Gousia Polytechnic offers programs in computer science, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, civil engineering. In addition, the institution offers Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Business Administration, and has recently expanded into pre-university education, offering science and commerce streams. Campus and facilities. The GC campus is spread over 35 acres, strategically located on NH 275. The institution provides a vibrant academic environment with smart and spacious classrooms, high-tech laboratories, an amphitheater, branch-wise seminar halls, dedicated sports courts and playgrounds, a central library with VTO consortium journals, separate hostels for boys and girls accommodating 600 students, modern gymnasium facilities, and transport services connecting nearby cities and towns.